Simple drawing art.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Simple Drawing Art channel. Today I will draw and color how to draw a spring flower. Do you know tulips? Tulip usually bloom in spring. I will draw and color a pot is pink tulips. I draw the part of flower. I color the flower part pink. Then the stem and the leaf dark and light green. Wow, the beautiful buds of tulip. Finish. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.